Good morning. This is not a motivation, this is direction. And every day I share codes that help you to align your life, organize your thoughts, and make decisions with greater clarity. Because when direction becomes clear, the road stops feeling heavy. And I want to start with something simple. Right here in the comments, what country are you watching or listening from? I always like to see where people are joining from. It shows how this message is reaching different places and different lives. And the week theme, the theme of the week is loneliness, disconnection, and the crisis of real relationships. And the episode title of today is Why Have We Never Been More Connected and More Lonely? Wow, this is amazing. And today we begin a very important week. And talking about today is Monday. Yeah, Monday. We will talk about loneliness, disconnection, and real relationships. So pay attention during this week. And I want to begin with a very honest question. Why have we never been more connected and at the same time more lonely? Wow. Today we can talk to anyone in the world instantly. We can send messages in seconds. We can follow 100 of people online every day. But at the same time, a silent reality is growing. Millions of people feel deeply alone. Here's the first code of today. Write that if you can. Digital connection do not replace human connection. There's a big difference between communication and connection. You can talk to many people and still feel that nobody truly knows you. You can interact with people all day and still experience emotional emptiness, because real connection requires three things, and the modern world is losing. The first one is presence, the second one is depth, and the third one is genuine interest. In an ancient writing from the Book of Eternal Knowledge says, two are better than one because they have a good reward for their labor. For if they fall, one will lift up his companion. This Ecclesiastes 4, 9, and 10. This writing reveals something essential. Humans, being human beings, were not designed to live in isolation. Healthy relationships are not optional. They are part of emotional structure of life. And through my journey, I learned something very important. Not everyone who walks beside you is truly connected to you. This is not too bad, but don't have to be like that always. Some relationship exist out of habit, others out of convenience, but some exist because there is alignment of values and vision. In my book, Where Talent Isn't Enough, I explain how environments and relationships shape the direction of a person's life. Because one truth becomes clear with time. The people around you influence who you become, not define but influence. In another ancient writing from the Book of Eternal Knowledge says, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. This is Proverbs, our PV, our lovely PV 27:17. True relationships do not exist only for company. They exist for growth, for strengthening, for correction, for expansion. And the problem is that the modern world creates something dangerous: shallow relationships. Are you living something like that? A lot of conversation, little depth, a lot of interaction, little construction, a lot of exposure, a little truth. So today code is very clear, as always. The quality of your relationships matters more than the quantity. It is not about how many people you know. It is about how truly walks with you. Think about this today. Who truly straightens your life? Who helps you grow? Who celebrates your victories? Who remains when life becomes difficult? Those people are rare. And when you find someone like that, rare, don't leave these people. Don't leave this person. And when they appear in your life, they become one of the most valuable emotional assets you can have. And a practical applications for today is choose one important person in your life. A friend, a family member, someone who truly walks with you. Send a sincere message today. Express gratitude. Strengthen that relationship. Strong relationships are built intentionally. And the world may be increasingly connected, but people who live with principles learn how to build real connections. Because in the end, the quality of your relationships shapes the quality of your life. For this reason, I would like to remember you: live with principles, decide with awareness, and walk in fullness. God bless your Monday. God bless the rest of your week. And I see you tomorrow morning here in the Fullness Code. See you.